A very good morning to all of you. So, this is your biology class today. So, today we'll continue our chapter number 2 of biology, that is microorganisms, friend and foe. So, in this section we'll discuss about nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. Okay, so nitrogen is a very important gas present in the atmosphere. It is essential for all the living organisms, whether they are plants, animals or human beings. Okay, so for this, nitrogen needs to be fixed from the atmosphere, from the environment to the earth in the soil. So now let us learn how nitrogen fixation take place. Okay, so now what is nitrogen fixation? Nitrogen is the gas, fixation means fixing it in the soil. So the process of fixing atmospheric nitrogen means the nitrogen present in the environment, in the atmosphere, into the soil, by the action of, and how does this process take place? By the action of lightning. Lightning means bijli kadakna, okay, or nitrogen fixing bacteria like rhizobium or blue-green algae, and this process is called nitrogen fixation. Got it? So what is nitrogen fixation? Fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. And how does this process take place? Lightning can fix the nitrogen in the soil. Rhizobium bacteria, there is a bacteria called rhizobium, okay. There is another bacteria called azobacter. This also fix the atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. Blue-green algae also fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Now you all will ask that why plants cannot take the nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere. Now why plants cannot take the nitrogen already present in the atmosphere in the gas form? Because plants cannot make food by that gaseous nitrogen. So that nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere is fixed by these bacteria or lightning into the soil in some other forms which plants can take. So let us understand about this. Look, this is a leguminous plant. This is the plant, and these are the roots of the leguminous plants. So what are leguminous plants? Leguminous plants are the plants which gives us proteins. The plants which synthesize protein food, like we have beans, pulses, peas, etc. All these are the examples of leguminous plants. So in the roots, when we see the roots of the leguminous plants, you will find some structures. These red structures, can you see? These are nodules. What do we call them? Nodules. These are like knots, like a knot. So these nodules are present in the roots of the leguminous plants, and in this root nodules the rhizobium bacteria is present. Okay, in these root nodules rhizobium bacteria is present. So rhizobium bacteria fix the atmospheric nitrogen, like nitrogen gas is present in the atmosphere. So nitrogen is fixed into the soil in some another form, like ammonia. We can say ammonia is a form of nitrogen, or nitrates or nitrites. These are the forms of nitrogen, and these forms are taken by the roots and given to the plants. So in this form the nitrogen is taken from the soil by the plants, and plants synthesize food by that. Got it?